A team of scientists, led by Dr. Orson Rudd, are investigating ice shelf depletion and new species in Antarctic. 4 months, out of Plan 6 have passed, at Nibi Science Station. According to their research, thinning of ice shelf causes more penetration of sunlight, causing an increase in shallow water sea life population, which causes migration of deep-sea predators. Most of which, not even seen by humans. The crew members have gone grumpy, due to isolation and lack of sunlight. One of the crew members, Casper, tries to resurface from a dive, but struggles to do so. Another crew member, Amy, tries to help him, but they both get pulled into the waters. Rudd enters the diving area, and notices the bloody water. He calls everyone to the diving hut. Another diver, Jainik, wants to go look for them, but Rudd stops him, saying they can't go in the water blind. A box rattles behind them. They open the box. There's a giant octopus inside. One of the crew members wants to throw it back into the ocean. Jainik wants to go down and find the missing members, saying they only have an hour before the divers freeze to death. Visibility is only 15 meters. The other members want to take the octopus into the lab. Jainik prepares for the dive. Rudd tells Channing that even though Ling, another member, is just an observer, but she still got so protective of the octopus. Channing believes it's because she actually cares about the work. Rudd says Ling knows about them. Channing hates it here. Rudd asks her to stay quiet about what they're doing. Channing notices something on the monitor. A body pop-ups in the diving area, along with Jainik. It's Castor's body. Shoulders dislocated. Respirator ripped off. Lungs filled with water. No evidence of Doug, another diver. Amy fell in the water without suit, which means she was dead in 10 minutes. Larry, another member, believed that the giant octopus is what killed their divers. The octopus silently observes them. Ling explains that the octopus is another new species. She wants to save the octopus, believing that the octopus never encountered a human before. Jainik wants to kill it. Octopus sprays water at light, causing it to go out. Rudd asks Larry to keep an eye on the octopus. Larry doesn't want to be in the room with the octopus. Ling says, 700 million years ago, humans and octopus were both an underwater flatworm, until they evolved. Humans own this world. Octopus can feel like humans, but they are not humans. Rudd tells Larry to stay away from its beak and tentacles. He asks Channing to print emergency response forms. Rudd tells Channing that this is the octopus that they were looking for. Ling overhears their conversation. They want to extract chemicals from it, to use it for pain management, anesthesia, and many other things. They send the message that the specimen has been captured. The message doesn't send, due to non-availability of satellite. Ling goes to her room, and eavesdrop on Rudd and Channing, using her phone. Larry is working on equipment repair. He takes out a knife, and puts it on his table. The octopus opens a pipe, to escape. It escapes from the small hole, and starts moving towards Larry. Jainik picks up a knife, and goes towards the octopus. He notices the busted pipe, and calls out to Larry, who doesn't answer. He notices Octopus, sitting on Larry, having killed him. The octopus grabs Jainik by the neck. Jainik cuts the tentacle with the knife, but the octopus manages to kill him. Ling sends a photo of the octopus to her superiors. The satellite comes back online. Channing needs to enter an authentication code to send the message, but she can't find her phone. Ling hides the phone. Channing goes into the lab, and finds Larry and Jainik, dead. She brings Rudd to the lab. Ling arrives, and sees what has happened. Channing hears her phone, in Ling's room. She deduced that Ling heard everything that they said. Ling reveals that the Chinese knew of Troxel and their interest in octopus, long before they arrived in Antarctic. Octopus is Channing's phone. The projector and the laptop are both controlled by her phone. An animal, 3 hours out of ocean, is running a cell phone. They ask what Ling knows about it. Rudd believes she's investigating the physical mechanisms of the octopus. But Ling says that they want to use the animal to change what a human can be. They want to gene edit it into a human egg, making a new human species that can react, taste, feel, without reporting to a centralized brain, and be able to live in the ocean. The octopus grabs Amy's hand and neck. Rudd comes to her rescue and cuts its tentacles. The octopus drops the phone and escapes through the pipe back into the ocean. The octopus has changed the DNA sequence using Channing's phone. It figured out if instead octopus use human gene and edit it into their eggs, they can come out of the ocean and rule the land. The episode ends with the octopus gathering an army of its species and showing the gene mutation to them. Like and subscribe For more videos like this.